So I put this one in 2 days ago. It's a Miracle Grow, and it is not doing good at all. I'm gonna try one this time without the flowers. Okay, no flowers this time, and no Miracle Grow either. Just cold water, we'll see what happens. Oops. Okay, it's October 22nd. A little over 2 months now. Let's see how she's doing. A couple water changes is all I've done. Come on. What is this? Pretty crazy, huh? Growing phlox on water. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get it in the ground so I don't have to worry about it. It's getting really cold at night. But there you go. How to start phlox on the water, if you wish.